So we are already divided in the two parts. One is innate immune system and acute or adapted immune system. Yes, I think you know very well. So in the case of innate immune system, some of the cells are to play the important role, namely neutrophils, basophils, eosinophils, mast cell, and the important cells is called macrophages. So these five cells are major cells in the innate immune system. Yes, you know very well. Okay. Moreover, so among these five, macrophages are doing very amazing functions. They are doing very important functions. Then the mast cells, then the neutrophils, then the basophils. So how it works? What are the structures and what are the components are there? How it's differentiated? The mode of action, the physiological role of macrophages, how to neutralize the antigens. So what are the things the macrophages are doing? This is one of the member of the myeloid system. The macrophages are do some differentiation in the regarding the tissue, and also the macrophages are called a variety of names like intestinal macrophages, alveolar macrophages, histocytes, Kupffer cells, mesenchymal cells, microglial cells, and astroblast. So all are macrophages. Regarding that, the macrophages where it's placed. Likewise, if the macrophages may be placed on the GI tract, that is called intestinal macrophages, especially the small intestine part, especially in the microvilli of the small intestine part, it's called intestinal macrophages. The same macrophages are exist in the alveolar. It's called alveolar macrophages. Alveolar means the alveoli. Yeah, alveoli, a unit of lungs. So this macrophages present in the lung. It's called alveolar macrophages. And also, the alveolar macrophages are like a driver sheet. You know, I'm told sometimes alveolar macrophages as a driver sheet. Yes. So the same macrophages present in the liver, it's called Kupffer cells. Yes. The same macrophages present in the connective tissues, it's called histocytes. The same macrophages present in the kidney, it's called mesenchymal cells. The same macrophages present in the brain or between the neuron cells, it's called microglial cells. The same macrophages present in the bone, it's called osteoblast. So you know the macrophages are doing very important functions. Yes, because they are existence, because they are distributed. Okay. Okay. So listen carefully. Sometimes macrophages are present in the blood circulation. It's called monocyte. Yes. Generally, the macrophage is called monocyte. The monocyte entirely circulated in the blood. Once the monocyte across the endothelial cells of the blood vessels may be entered into tissues, the name of the monocytes is different. So according to it, I'm told. Okay, generally the monocytes are across the endothelial cell. When it's entered the tissue, the tissue monocyte is called macrophages. Yes. So a lot of differentiation are there between the monocyte and macrophages. That means the monocytes are uh, generally produced from the bone marrow by the hematobiosis process. Yes. The hematobiosis process, the monocytes called the granulocyte monocyte. This granulocyte monocyte are derived from the granulocyte monocyte progenitor cells. Yes. So once get differentiated, it's form pro-monocytes. The pro-monocyte uh, get differentiated, get matured, and finally enter into the bloodstream. It's called monocyte. One more interesting things, the circulating monocytes are only the lifetime of circulating monocyte is 8 hours. When it's enter into the tissue, maybe uh, it's the lifetimes up to more than 8 hours, nearly 24 hours. Okay. Where it's synthesized at bone marrow, how it differentiated, finally from a monocyte. The monocyte entered the blood vessels. So, between the monocyte and macrophages, some basic difference are there. So we learn little bit. The size of the monocytes are completely differ the macrophages. Both are same, but monocytes are in the blood, macrophages are the tissue. The regarding size wise, 10 times folded. The size of the monocytes are 10 times increased when the monocyte enter into the tissue. So regarding size, it's very bigger than the monocyte. Macrophages sizes differ. That's a basic thing. Second thing, usually monocytes are calling granulocytes because it contains granules. Yes. So the number of granules there in the monocytes is less than the macrophages. Macrophages contains huge number of granules. The granules contains number of biomolecules. Yes. You just consider the presence of granules maybe mask the entire nucleus of the macrophages. So the macrophages are contains number of granules. The granules are otherwise called um, phagosomes. Yes, phagosomes, sometimes lysosomes. The fusion of lysosome and phagosome is called phagolysosome. So these collectively called granules present in the macrophage. It contain variety of enzymes, variety of biomolecules. They do some important functions. The last difference between the monocyte and macrophages is the expression of pseudopodia. This is the pseudopodia is important differentiation between the monocyte macrophages. This pseudopodia is progression like propagated like organelles present in the surface of macrophages. This pseudopodia involve the absonization, especially phagocytosis process, when the antigen is engulfing. Yes. This is a major function of pseudopodia. The one more function is the pseudopodia involve the migration, migration of macrophages from the uh, invading tissue into the antigen encountering area. So the pseudopodia involve the two important functions. One is engulfing, second one is migration or movement. Okay. So this is the basic difference between monocyte and macrophages. Uh, this is the morphological differentiation. Compared to the microscopical difference and biochemical difference are there. It's a very huge difference are there. We can study in later. Only the morphological observation. It's basic difference. Okay. You know very well, and the mononuclear phagocytic system. Yes, mononuclear phagocytic system means the what are the cells are involved in the phagocytic process is called a phagocytic system, like neutrophils, basophils, the beautiful macrophages. So these collectively called phagocytic system. So all are mononuclear. It's called mononuclear phagocytic system. Consist monocytes is a member of the phagocytic system, and this monocyte circulating in the blood, and it sometime across the endothelial cells. This is called macrophages. You know very well monocytes are circulating in the bloodstream alone. Yes. So please keep your mind. But the monocytes are doing some functions. What are the functions they are doing means they are circulated, they are stable, they are producing from bone marrow, they are across the endothelial cells, they are sometimes engulfing antigens in the circulation level, uh, and try to invading the antigen. So these are the basic functions of monocyte do in the bloodstream level. Once it's differentiated when it's across the endothelial cells. Okay. So the differentiation may be the cell is enlarged and the 10 times it's folded. The intracellular organelles are increased. Complexity and increased phagocytosic ability and produce the high level of hydrolytic enzymes and secreted variety of soluble factors. So these are the basic difference between the monocyte and macrophages at biochemical level. The morphological level is the size and the pseudopodia and the observation number of granules. This is the basic difference between of monocyte and macrophages. So some of the biochemical differences, some they increase the cellular organelles like mitochondria, uh, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, lysosomes. Why it's increased means because macrophages are doing some variety of functions. So for the energy purpose and migration purpose or phagocytic purpose, they need some energy. They need some proteins. So for the mitochondria, the increased number of mitochondria maybe provide the energy. The increased number of endoplasmic reticulum to involve the increased protein synthesis. Likewise, one more is the hydrolytic enzymes are increased for phagocytosis and digestion and digestion. Some soluble factors are excreted for induce the cytokine production or interleukins and other process. Okay. This is the basic differentiation. This is called monocyte. So it's mainly differentiated to macrophages. Sometimes it's differentiated to astrocytoclast, sometimes differentiated to dendritic cells. You know very well, this already told alveolar macrophages in the lung, histocytes in connective tissues, Kupffer cells in the liver, mesangial cells in the kidney, microglial cells in the brain, astrocytes in the bone marrow.